I know, girls. I promise you'll all be back in the cage soon. Wait, where's Maggie? Wait. Oh, wait. Nope, there you are. Why do you guys all have to be the same color? It's hard for me to tell the difference between you three. Wait, what the? Moxxie, what the hell are you doing? Moxxie, this isn't your cage. This is for the girls. This isn't your cage. It's not your cage. Moxxie, it's not your cage. Moxxie. It's not your cage. It's not your cage. Why are you trying to steal it? Don't look at me like that. Stop being so funny all the time, Moxxie. I love you too much.